fucking hot. I mean, it's cold. Well, we're heading over to, where are we going? Man. My seat not feeling good, so gotta take her over. Yeah. My pick not feeling good, so I had to take her for a ride in the K car while we go to urgent care. Oh, remember, I gotta drop my mom's package off. It's in the back. So. Damn, road work. Oh, shit. They fix roads out here? Sheesh. Damn, they put a hole in the fucking floor, like, god damn. I put my indicator on like we was going left. Like this was a stop sign left type of shit. Jeez. Yo, 5-speeds don't like third gear at a roll at all. Especially with this bullshit twinness. Look back up. They're coming to fill the road now. Just sound all motor. Like, I don't know. I feel like it sounds, when you just lay into it a little bit, I feel like it sounds all motor still. Like, watch. Can't even tell. Order, give me that.
Yeah.
I have a regular one. I'll just use the regular one. Don't worry. Bruh, I need to clean my car. Shit tight filth. But yeah, we are here. I know, I put it on. Made it. Niggas looking at me like I'm crazy. Sheesh, that's my baby. See my baby? This is my baby too though. I gotta make sure this baby's good, so that way we can enjoy that baby.
Thanks.
I'm just saying. Express care. Y'all, I hope this shit is express and these niggas go fast. Or like, it's not 55 niggas sitting down in that shit waiting. I'll be tight. But yeah. It's all good though. We're here. Hopefully all these test results come back great and nothing crazy is wrong with you. But we will see you guys in a little. Yeah. guy's out there. Holy shit. Yo, this guy is here every day. I don't know if he's homeless or what, or I don't know, bro, but he's really there all the time, bro. It's just shitty to see him there. Damn, no power steering sucks dick. Alright. And we are off to the house. Well, one more pit stop to the post office. And then we're off to the house. Oh shit. Oof. Some guy was like, dude, is that a GoPro strapped to your... And I was like, yeah, bro. Nah, he didn't really say it with all that excitement. He said it like so fucking dead and like concerned. But yeah, that was funny. Where will we drop that package off? Look at it. Yo, you saw that guy running? He heard that shit, bro. Did you see that nigga look like 3 ways, my nigga? Yo, I'm fucking dead. Listen to that VTEC. Again, like normal though. Dude, that shit moving. That bit moving. These pussies want you to go. Oh god. Look at that car. That Camara's nice. Better slow down, big ass bus. Got road work.